Ahoy, this is Zdenka. If you need a drone, but you are on a tight budget, this video might be for you. Let's test Potensic Atom 2, a lightweight drone. This is not a self-flying drone, but yes, it's in the category below 249 grams. I gotta be honest, for the last 2 years I have not been flying these type of drones, but I know that there are many of you out there who are looking for budget options. I read your comments, and the ones I showcased in the past, quite recently, are a little bit higher price range. This one seriously is very good for the price, so I decided to showcase it on this channel. I'm going to show lots of footage, go through the camera, modes, and show what's in the app. This video is brought to you by Potensic. As you are watching footage from this drone, let me mention some technical specifications. Maximum battery life is 32 minutes. It was measured at speed of 5 meters a second in low altitude, windless conditions. Maximum hovering time is 29 minutes. Operating temperature is 0 to 40 degrees. Maximum wind speed resistance is level 5, which is 38 kilometers an hour. Maximum flight altitude is 120 meters. Maximum takeoff altitude is 4,000 meters. Let's mention maximum speed in sports mode. Ascent speed is 5 meters a second. Descent speed is 4 meters a second. And horizontal speed is 16 meters a second. Let's start with video mode. The camera has half-inch sensor. It is 48 megapixel camera. The video is recorded as MP4. You can choose in the settings between H.264 and H.265 format. In 4K, you can record in 24, 25, and 30 frames per second in 16:9 aspect ratio. HDR color is available besides standard. You can also zoom in 2 times. If you select 2.7K, you can also film in vertical mode and 4:3 aspect ratio. You also get another digital zoom, 1 time, 2 times, and 3 times. Let's lower down even more to 1080p. Here you can also film in 50 and 60 frames per second and zoom in up to 4 times. Filming in manual mode is available as well. The next video mode is AI night that can be only enabled once you take off. Well, let's see some footage. Slow motion in 1080p is next. The video can be slowed down 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and 5 times. One more thing to mention is you can fly the drone in normal or FPV mode. Once you bring the drone up, you can also enable AI tracking that will bring out tracking options such as AI Spotlight, AI Follow, and AI Perler. Let's see how the tracking is. Here are also AI quick shots available: pull away, spiral, rocket, circle, boomerang, and dolly zoom. Cruise control is here as well. Let's try some of them. Let's leave video and check out what is offered in photo mode. In single mode, you can take photos in JPEG or RAW plus JPEG in 16 by 9, 9 by 16, and 4 by 3 aspect ratio. Manual mode is here as well. You can zoom in 1 time and 2 times. When you take photos in JPEG, they will be 48 megapixels. If you select JPEG and RAW, the photos will be 12 megapixels. All other modes offer 12 megapixels JPEG photos only. The next mode is to take photos in 8K. No digital zoom is available here. They will be saved in 4 by 3 aspect ratio. Bracketing mode offers choices between 3 and 5 frames, and you can zoom here 2 times. You can select 16 by 9, 9 by 16, and 4 by 3 aspect ratio. Burst mode offers up to 7 frames, and you can also zoom in 2 times. Interval timer shooting lets you select between 2 seconds and 30 seconds intervals. The last mode available is panorama. That is also enabled once you take off. There are 3 choices: wide angle, 180 degrees, and vertical. When it comes to drone settings, everything is here just like any other drone. You've got safety settings, calibration, control with all remote controller settings and gimbal settings, camera settings, where you can enable defog mode to enhance picture quality, and video transmission. It can transmit up to 10 kilometers. You can fully customize everything. The drone I have here is the Fly More combo, so it came with 3 batteries. They also offer just a standard package with 1 battery. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear your opinion. Now, when it comes to my opinion, there are a lot of positives and only 2 negatives. The positives are the picture quality, 48 megapixel photos, and great AI subject tracking. The negatives are no collision avoidance, so you have to really pay attention and be very careful. It will force you to become a great pilot from get-go, so I actually do recommend this because I certainly learned myself the hard way. When I crashed the first drone, I changed completely. No more crazy takeoffs, no more crazy stuff. Take your time, pay attention to whatever you are doing. I should be responsible at this age anyways, right? But no, some things will never change. I may look that way, I may look the age, but inside I'm still a teenager and I will always be a teenager. It's just the way it is. The second thing I don't like is that the raw photos are not 48 megapixels, only 12. It would be nice to have that as 48 megapixels. Overall though, it's really good for the price. I think this is a good find. It's being sold online in US Costco. On top of it, they have a special offer. The link is below the video in the video description for those interested. Give it a thumbs up if you found this video informative and don't forget to subscribe for more. See you in one of those next. Ciao, ahoj.